Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. Today I'll show you how you can add text or image watermark in your PDF file. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, first of all, open your browser and copy the link given in the description, and now uh, paste the description in the URL bar and then hit enter. After this, you can see the interface like this. Now you have to choose the PDF file where you want to enter a watermark. So let me choose the PDF file. So here is my PDF file. Let me open this. Now you can choose text or image watermark as per your need, but I'm going with a text watermark. So let me enter a required text. I have entered downloaded from neptechwall.com, and now scroll down, and in this section you have to choose the position where the watermark should be shown in the PDF file. So let me choose the position, and you can specify the transparency. Let me leave it to default for now. And at last, you can choose the layer of the watermark, either over the PDF content or below the PDF content. So I'm going for below the PDF content, as the watermark do not cover the content of the PDF file. So after setting up all the things, click on add watermark. And then your download must be begin shortly. If the file is not downloaded automatically, you can click on this button to download the PDF file. In my case, it's downloaded automatically. Let me open this file and show you. So at the bottom you can see that the text watermark downloaded from neptechwall.com is shown in all pages. So guys, this video, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.